is normalization of database from database systems. First, we will see what are the anomalies or problems present in the database. If a database design is not perfect, it may contain anomalies which are like a bad dream for any database administrator. Managing a database with anomalies is next to impossible. There are three types of anomalies present in the database: update, deletion, and insert anomalies. What is the update anomalies? If data items are scattered and are not linked to each other properly, then it could lead to a strange situations. For example, when we try to update one data item having its copies scattered over several places, a few instances get updated properly while a few others are left with old values. Such instances leave the database in an inconsistent state. The second anomaly is deletion anomaly. We tried to delete a record, but part of it was left undeleted because of unawareness. The data is also saved somewhere else. That's why the problems related to deletion anomalies occur in the database. Insert anomalies. We tried to insert data in the record that does not exist at all. So this all are the problems faced in the database. So normalization is a method to remove all these anomalies and bring the database to a consistent state. So what is normalization of the database? Database normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. It is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insertion, updation, and deletion anomalies. Normalization is used for mainly two purposes: eliminating redundant data, which is useless, and second is ensuring data dependencies make sense, that is, data is logically stored. Both of these are worthy goals as they reduce the amount of space a database consumes and ensures that data is logically stored. There are several benefits for using the normalization of the database. So the benefit of the normalization of the database are: eliminate data redundancy. It improves the performance by eliminating the data redundancy and maintain it in a consistent state. Query optimization. Faster update due to less number of columns in one table, and also it improves the indexing. Second is normalization rule. There are few rules for database normalization. Each rule is called as normal form. Normalization rule are divided into following normal form: first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF. If the rule is observed, the database is said to be in first normal form. If the first three rules are observed, the database is considered to be in third normal form. Although other levels of normalizations are also possible like BCNF, DKNF, but third normal form is considered the highest level necessary for most applications. Now, what are the normal forms? First, second, third, fourth. Let's give the brief summary of these normal forms. There are different types of normalization form available in the database. First normal form. It sets the very basic rules for an organized database. This first normal form eliminates duplicative columns from the same table. So it meets the basic requirement of the table to be in a first normal form. Second normal form. Second normal form further addresses the concept of removing duplicate data. It meets all the requirements of the first normal form. It removes subsets of the data that apply to multiple rows of a table and place them in a separate table. It creates relationship between these new tables and their predecessors through the use of foreign keys. Third normal form goes one large step further than the first and second normal form. It meets all the requirement of the second normal form and remove columns that are not dependent upon the primary key. Next is Boyce Codd normal form, which is also known as 3.5 normal form. The Boyce Codd normal form, also referred to as the third and half normal form, adds one more requirement, which is it has to meet all the requirements of third normal form and every determinant must be a candidate key. Now, what is determinant? If we consider one example like if A functionally determines B, then the left hand side attribute, that is A, is nothing but the determinant. Fourth normal form has one additional requirement. It has to meet the requirement of the third normal form, and if it has no multi-valued dependencies. So the conclusion of the normalization of the database is, with the help of data normalization, the data can be modified in the database, like for inserting, updating, deleting the data. It increases the performance of database by eliminating the redundancy. It is mainly used to maintain the consistency of the database. The updates and modifications are common in any database. If the data is not normalized or poorly normalized, lead to burden over the excessive IO disk, which results in the poor performance of the database. This is the main reason why the data should be normalized. Thank you.